Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy F41. So let's get started. These are the key features of phone. This has 64 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel front camera. Also it has 6000 milliampere battery, 15-watt fast charger, 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. Now let's open the box and let's check what we have got inside of this box. This is a one simple box. Here is a pin to open SIM card slot. In this box we got one user manual. Let's keep that aside. This is our brand new phone. Below that we have got one power adapter and one USB cable. Let's keep all aside and quick review the phone. Remove this plastic cover. So let's start with the phone display. Here Samsung gives 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display which having U-shaped notch at top for front camera. At right side you will see button for volume up and down and second is for power button. At top side you will see one small hole for microphone. At left side you will see slot for SIM card. At bottom you will see speaker, microphone, C-type USB slot and earphone jack. Here Samsung gives glossy polycarbonate back cover and rectangular camera module on the top left corner, the oval shaped fingerprint sensor and taper edge that are exactly same like Samsung M30 series phone. So let's start the phone. Hold the power button for 3 seconds. Here we go. I'm not configuring my account right now. If you want to do all these things right now, then you can do it. If you want to configure later, then you can configure it from settings. So set it with default setting. Skip, accept, skip, done. Yes. Here I am feeling very smoothness while using this phone. Samsung always keep their display quality good. These are the settings which you find in all smartphone. You may also saw digital well-being feature in any other Samsung phone. This is the feature on your mobile device which gives you a more details view of daily use of your device. Let's check Android version. Samsung F41 comes with Android 10 which is the latest Android version. Now let's check camera quality. I have shot this image at afternoon. Here color transmission is good. The distance between me and center building is near about 2 km. This is the portrait close shoot. This I have shoot at morning 6 a.m. Here you can see the actual climate is get captured. This scene I have captured in three different modes for better understanding. First one is a normal shoot, second one is with night mode, and the last one is with flashlight. Based on this result, in night mode camera is not performing well. To know more about the camera, please stay tuned. I'm going to review camera of this phone in detail in next video. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or query regarding this video, you can ask me in comment. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Bye bye. Take care. See you in next video.